Akwaba and found Ghana and Sam TVGH so what frame Adjoa setting.
Operators in Adaklu in the Volta region are appealing to the Electricity Company of Ghana to address the intermittent power outages in the area. The situation, which has become widespread across the Volta region, is negatively impacting business operations, according to residents. There's more in the following report.
The issue of power outages has become more rampant in recent weeks across the most parts of the Volta region, particularly at night. In the Adaklu district, for instance, local business owners who depend solely on electricity lament the power crisis is impacting their businesses.
I have a small cool store. The way the light is going off this time is disturbing my business, especially yesterday. The light went off around 6 o'clock and it came back this morning around 7:30. It disturbed the fridge because when it went off and came back, I could realize that the fridge went off and thank God that I off it earlier. Other than that, the fridge will also spoil. And my meat, if you can see it, there is scent in it because of the light off.
The on and off disturbs my business, especially the corn mill operation and the pure water business, because we depend solely on the electricity. So when it goes off like that, we don't work at all. And it also destroys our gadgets, especially my fridge. It destroys it when it goes off and comes on like that. So it destroyed one of them. And I spent a lot of money before I was able to repair it.
The light there, they disturb us because the container that you can see, you use like 2 days to finish. But now on and off, you can make like 4 days to 5 days before you finish one container. And it's disturbing us, so the ECG should do something about it.
And our news.
Ghana for mama ya hwe bibi yo. Me see be a net your partner won't know how I say ye my know. How I am mani pebe dwene se Ghana for adwene se bi o se bi mprebiasa manusu simina so enye adwuma. O finance minister akotra de. Wakan ye ni na ye TV. Ghana ni bia utie bibia TV. Ene obia fa budget no eduodu mu. Obia man the commentary about the budget. Ya ko kind dia wan kasa finance minister tro ye na was jandam. Jandam ne de jandam na say ne say. Oh Charlie, sometimes NDC don't let us even feel proud being Ghanaian sometimes, because first now Komokas will be a Ghanaian when they say so be a Ghanaian, it carry a lot of weight. But these people is making the whole Ghana identity so cheap and so low-minded. Say it's like, just tell me, are you in MPP? Yes, I'm in MPP, then it's good. It doesn't make sense. Nonsense, to me personally, doesn't make sense. Kamei MPP for the other because you are lying. But I'm actually reading what your finance minister said. I'm not reading anything different. What your finance minister said is what I'm reading. Or say it is jandam. Anyways, sorry. Let's get on. One of the reasons Omokoye budget, they said they were going to cut budget. Okay, they were going to cut budget. I feel your budget by budget ya womo pass ya womo so womo de better budget so no. Higher than the omo beton ye. Na and then yama mi ensebi ena me pese mi di hon komo. The first one Emma ewo Ghana, especially edwadiforma one no ekọ pene ye one no koti ase se ye bibie bank bi e de amayen na se nyame ya adom na se ye ba power mo Emma no so no matumi aba ho aba begigi loan ene de keka ho de omo kan yi ni Odia no to nche ya omo ka kire say in terms of your education no omo bana omo the private schools kra aba beka ho na oma shemokena na nkola na di diem ne omo niamamu ni na ayeye ene ede na wo budget ni thank you. The next one I'm saying person me di ho komo this whole meyi or ma abolish tax be now more mutie Felix appear na mutie me for some time so mo be kaya ebra almost started say omu use betting tax any emission tax at the campaign me be a program wa ha top form big up yourself and I'm a catcher mo say Ghana bebunu ma weni na ho ma weni na ho kire say and now we say wo hwe wo betting winning so na say 10% bi to say the amount can ya tie free so a enya ban two the fact say ye dey ade akọ parliament na sebio ade no ya passe and say it has been implemented. It is a mekona say ka kire say ye be betting tax e free wa ye implement it so it doesn't take effect. Eba no MPP amembu mu a me kire mo a typical example a eton ye ebra na nanado ewo ho. Mo kai say ye ka say ye de bibi beto electricity so commercial and residential be buy be ma kanofuri atankofo be di na tempo to bi ni ade until say minister no call parliament ekoka say ade we ya ade a eda ho dada enye ono ne na ekofa ba na as a matter of fact NDC for na de san hye ba ye bra na omowa ba mu na enso ya entrega into the fact say yaka say ya pass budget for this no does not amount to necessarily mean say it is being implemented. Mekai say Samia Uku interview actually mu say platform na mu use no one more platform no so no Sana said the owners of the platform na mo de ye mo betting no woman na air charges SK and ya pass Ghana government wa adwene bi say obedge tax every mo so nanso as it stands no yen kiki ni in nti obia ni wa yate ne 10% ya akwa aban ho e betna ho e kasa ye